Welcome to Lendrix staking. Earn up to 22% APR with full transparency, flexible unlocking, and zero forced liquidations. No variable yields, no surprise rules. Start by choosing the crypto you want to stake. BTC, ETH, SOL, XRP, BNB, USDT, or USDC. Each asset shows its maximum APR upfront, so you know the earning potential before you click anything. Now enter your staking amount and pick a plan. 1, 3, 6, or 12 months. Your APR updates automatically based on the plan, and rewards are estimated using live market prices. Clean numbers, no hidden math. Before you lock it in, Lendrix shows a full confirmation. Amount, plan, APR, estimated rewards, and the price used for your stake. If everything looks right, confirm your stake. Next, activate staking by depositing to the provided address or scanning the QR code. Send only on the correct network, and then submit your transaction ID so your stake can be verified. Also add your own wallet address and select your withdrawal network, so when you unstake, funds go straight back to you. Approval happens fast, usually within a few minutes after network confirmation. Once verified, your stake is recorded successfully and you're live. And here's the control part. Unlock isn't fixed. You can unstake anytime. Your APR is calculated proportionally based on the exact time you stayed staked, the days you actually earned. Inside the dashboard, everything is visible. Live prices, stake status, hourly updated earnings, daily rewards, total performance, and full stake history in one place. No locked surprises like Aave. No changing rules like Nexo. This isn't yield farming. This is controlled, predictable earning with clarity. Lendrix, stake with confidence, earn with control.